Good morning on this Monday. Dan Hardenbrook coming to you from the Duke Sport Shop Studios in downtown Newberry. Hope your weekend went well. Let's get you back into it now with a look at your latest local news headlines from around the region. It is your Newberry News Update. You're on M123 FM. In your local news this morning, the Whitefish Township Community School in Paradise will be closed today and tomorrow due to a failure with their septic system. In an announcement on the district Facebook page, Whitefish Township Community Schools says that due to the septic system collapsing and needing immediate repairs, they're being forced to close school for Monday and Tuesday this week. To make up for those 2 days taken off, the school district will also add regularly scheduled off days on October 8th and February 7th back to the school schedule. Families should have been notified by a robocall that went out from the district yesterday afternoon. The district is also reminding those that are visiting the school to not drive around the back of the building. They believe that's how the damage to the septic system was done, somebody driving over the area. The district says they'll have more information as it becomes available. Once again, due to septic system collapse, Whitefish Township Schools in Paradise will not be open today or tomorrow. With COVID cases back on the rise, the LMAS District Health Department has issued a public health advisory. So far in the month of August, the LMAS District Health Department has announced 205 additional COVID cases. The District Health Department issued the public health advisory in a letter to community members on Friday, saying that they are responding to the rapidly rising COVID cases across the four-county district. They say there are currently 31 separate outbreaks in the Upper Peninsula associated with long-term care, healthcare facilities, religious services, sporting events, restaurants, private gatherings, and workplaces. Due to the Delta variant of the virus, the COVID-19 numbers have risen across the entire state, including here in the LMAS district area. According to the State Bureau of Laboratories, 99% of all tests being sequenced are due to the Delta variant. Currently, the Upper Peninsula has had 8 straight weeks of increased cases, and the last 2-week period saw a UP total of over 850 reported cases. LMAS says that we should not take the Delta variant and COVID lightly, that children under the age of 12 who are still not eligible to be vaccinated. Only 21% of those in the district ages 12 to 15 are fully vaccinated. LMAS says that their overall vaccination rate for the 4 LMAS counties is at 56%, with the greatest numbers in those over the age of 65. LMAS is recommending that you get your COVID vaccinations as soon as possible. Appointments are available for anyone ages 12 and older. You can schedule an appointment online at lmasdhd.org. Contact your local hospital or pharmacy. They're also suggesting to wear a mask at all indoor settings and when around people who do not live in your immediate household. Maintain distance from those in separate households and stay home when you don't feel well and get tested for COVID. All other recommendations include washing your hands thoroughly and often, isolating yourself if you test positive, follow instructions from the health department or your doctor, and quarantine if you're identified as a close contact. For more information, you can go online to lmasdhd.org. Tequamanon Area Schools in Newberry is gearing up for the start of a new school year, and they are hosting an open house on Wednesday, September 1st. So give a chance for students and families to get acclimated ahead of the start of the new school year. There'll be food, games, fun, and an opportunity for families to get a little taste of what the upcoming school days could be like. The event runs from 5:30 until 7:30 p.m., from 6 until 7. Students and parents can meet the teachers and see classrooms. There'll be a parent and student meeting for 7th and 8th grade students at 5:45 p.m. in the cafeteria. 9 through 12 students and their parents will have a special meeting at 5:45 p.m. in the auditorium. For more information, you can contact Tequamanon Area Schools. Check out their website or Facebook page. The Michigan State Police Post in St. Ignace is seeking volunteers for a brand new program that could help those who are drug dependent, helping with their addiction. The St. Ignace Michigan State Police Post is looking for those who are interested in volunteering to assist with their Angel program. The Angel program will allow an individual struggling with addiction to walk into any post and ask for assistance without the fear of an arrest or investigation. Angel program volunteers will respond to assist MSP post personnel in locating the appropriate treatment options and also with transporting the participant to a treatment center. Volunteers will be reimbursed for mileage and meal expenses, and once eligible after 20 hours of service, could receive an hourly stipend. Angel program volunteers will be trained by MSP personnel on the responsibilities and expectations being an Angel volunteer. The program is supported by the Police Assisted Addiction and Recovery Initiative. It's being modeled after a similar plan that was developed in 2015 by a Massachusetts police department. Starting in 2016, the Michigan State Police implemented the nationally renowned Angel program to help bring law enforcement together with community members and volunteers and help individuals who are seeking assistance to reduce dependency with drug and alcohol addictions. That is your latest local news this morning. It is your Newberry News Update here on M123 FM. Time now to check in with sports this morning. Week 1 of the high school football season in the books. All 6 EUP 8-man teams were in action over the course of the weekend. Pickford defeated Gaylord St. Mary's 36-6. Newberry beats Brimley 36-0. Engadine loses a last-second heartbreaker at home to Ironwood 42-36. Rudyard had the biggest win of the weekend. They beat Superior Central 52-0. And Munising shut out Cedarville Detour 36-0. Follow our EUP Sports Network Facebook page, as well as on 123 FM, for updates and information on high school sports from around the region all school year long. Michigan has a world champ. The team from Taylor, Michigan, beat a team from Ohio to win the Little League World Series championship. It's the first time since 1959 that a Michigan Little League team has advanced all the way to the championship stage of the Little League World Series. Team from Taylor delivered the state's first championship since the Hamtramck National Little League won it all. The two teams from the Great Lakes region also made history, marking the only time clubs from the same region have ever played in the championship. The Tigers took a tough loss to wrap up their weekend series with the Toronto Blue Jays yesterday afternoon. Final score in that contest was 2-1. Jose Berrios threw 7 innings, 6 hits, 1 run, struck out 11 in the victory. Matt Boyd made his return to the Tigers, 4 sharp innings, 4 hits, 2 earned. Tigers bullpen was solid, but the offense could not get it going in the loss. Latest local weather forecast for the day today. Increasing clouds, highs in the low 70s. Northwest winds 10 miles per hour. For your Tuesday, sunshine and a high in the low to mid 70s. Light northwest winds 5 to 10. Wednesday, temperatures creep up into the mid to upper 70s. I'm Dan Hardenbrook. This is your latest Newberry News Update on M123 FM.